So let's look for the value of x plus y. From this diagram, you have P, Q, R, S, and we're asked to find the value of x, then find the value of, and then sum them together. Now, if you look at this diagram closely, you see that these two sides are called angles in the same segment. So what that means that SPR is equals to SQR. Both of them equal 60 degrees because they are angle in the same segment. Therefore, y is equals to 60 degrees. So the value of y has been settled. How do we get the value of x? There is a rule that says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. The angle at the center that subtends at the center is twice that at any point on the circumference. So what that means is that angle SOR is equals to 2 times either SPR or SQR. Fine. So what is angle SOR? It is 3x, then 2 times. What is angle SQR? It's 60 degrees, which is the same thing as y. So we have 3x equals 2 times 60, which is 3x is equals to 120 degrees. So how do we get x? Just divide by 3. So this takes this down. My x will be what? 40 degrees. We're asked to find the value of x plus y. So x plus y will be 40 plus 60. So that's going to give us 100 degrees.